What's up, guys? What's up, guys? My name's Jer, and today we're going to show how you can use WhatsApp from any computer. The benefit of this is that a computer allows you better accessibility to all your messages, and typing from a computer is just faster in general. First thing you're going to do is head on over to web.whatsapp.com. Now, before you freak out and think anyone can access your messages from this link, let me tell you, they can't. WhatsApp designed this method with security in mind, and only you can access this through a secure QR code. If you don't know what a QR code is, I'll link that at the top right here where I explain that in detail. Now head on over to your phone, whether it's iOS or Android. Open WhatsApp, go to settings, and then WhatsApp web/desktop. Over here you can see what devices are currently logged into WhatsApp, and you have the option to log out from each one individually or all at once. If this is your first time, go ahead and click Scan QR Code, or the plus button in Android. Your camera will open up, and all you have to do is point to the QR code on WhatsApp's website. As soon as it scans, it will grant you access to all your messages. That's it. It'll stay logged in until you forcefully log it out, either to the web or the phone application. You can also turn on desktop notifications so you don't miss a message. If you have a PC or Mac that you have with you constantly and don't want to use the web browser, there are applications available for download as well. Happy messaging, guys! You can check out all our other how-tos right over here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if this video has helped you in any way at all. Like always, I'm Jer the Tech Venger. Don't forget, when it comes to tech, the Tech Vengers are there. We got your back.